Welcome back, folks! Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: Allen Sports Bike Rack versus Thule. If you are a cycling enthusiast like me, you know the struggle of transporting your bike safely and securely. That's where bike racks come into play. In this video, we'll compare two renowned brands, Allen Sports and Thule, and help you make an informed decision. So, let's dive in. For over 50 years, Allen Sports has been a trusted name in the biking community. They specialize in designing and manufacturing bike racks that cater to various needs and budgets. Allen Sports offer a wide range of models, from truck-mounted racks to hitch-mounted options. Their racks are known for their durability, ease of use, and affordability. Firstly, they are incredibly easy to install. Most models require minimal assembly and can be attached to your vehicle within minutes. Additionally, Allen Sports racks are designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, ensuring compatibility for various car types. Secondly, Allen Sports bike racks are built to last. They are constructed from high-quality materials such as steel or aluminum, providing excellent strength and durability. You can trust these racks to withstand the rises of long-distance trips and rough road conditions. Another standout feature of Allen Sports racks is their versatility. They offer models that can accommodate anywhere from 1 to 5 bikes, depending on your needs. Some racks even have a tilting feature, allowing you to access the trunk or rear of your vehicle without removing the bikes. Thule has been in the business for several decades, consistently delivering innovative products that meet the demands of avid cyclists. They are known for their attention to detail, sleek designs, and superior build quality. Firstly, Thule racks offer exceptional stability and security. They utilize advanced locking mechanisms to keep your bike safe during transits. Some models even feature a built-in anti-sway system, minimizing bike movement and preventing scratches. Secondly, Thule bike racks excel in terms of design and aesthetics. They offer a sleek and aerodynamic profile, reducing wind resistance and enhancing fuel efficiency. Thule racks are designed with both functionality and style in mind, ensuring they complement the look of your vehicle. Additionally, Thule racks prioritize user convenience. Many models feature a toll-free installation process, allowing you to attach and detach the rack quickly. Thule also provides easy-to-follow instructions and online fit guides, ensuring compatibility with various vehicle models. When it comes to durability, both Allen Sports and Thule racks are built to withstand the elements and rough road conditions. However, Thule's use of high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship gives their racks an edge in terms of long-term reliability. In terms of compatibility, both brands offer a wide range of models that can fit various vehicle types. However, Thule has a reputation for providing comprehensive fit guides and extensive compatibility options, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific vehicle. When considering ease of use, Allen Sports racks are generally straightforward to install and operate. They offer user-friendly designs that make loading and unloading your bikes a breeze. Thule, on the other hand, takes user convenience to the next level with features like tool-free installation, quick-release mechanisms, and even foldable designs for easy storage. Now, let's talk about security. Both Allen Sports and Thule prioritize keeping your bike safe during transportation. Allen Sports racks often come with basic locking mechanisms, while Thule racks offer advanced security systems, including integrated cable locks and anti-sway features that keep your bike stable and prevent theft. Finally, let's discuss the price. Allen Sports racks are known for their affordability, making them an excellent choice for budget-conscious cyclists. Thule, being a premium brand, comes with a higher price tag, reflecting the quality, innovation, and advanced features they offer. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for further topics, please leave them in the comments below. Happy cycling, and we'll see you in the next video.